Rainwater harvesting mitigates dependency of secondary water sources, fights water scarcity, and brings around economical savings. Rainy Filter is simple yet significant tool for effortless rooftop rainwater harvesting. The filter is mounted onto a wall and the inlet of the filter is connected with the hollow pipe drawn from the roof. The filter inlet and outlet connections can be rotated 360 degrees to suit the site conditions. The hollow pipeline allows rainwater with dirt and debris to enter the filter through gravity. The rainwater starts to rotate in a retrograde motion at the periphery of the upper housing, continuously flowing into the multi-layer SS304 filter element placed in the lower housing at an angular motion and at specific speed and velocity. The rainy filters work on dual physical phenomenon: cohesive force at low intensity of rainfall, and as the intensity increases, the filter automatically switches over to centrifugal force. This supports the filter element to flush out dirt and debris through the drain outlet and divert clean water simultaneously into the sump, storage tanks, or recharging well through the clean water outlet, furthering reutilization or recharging the groundwater. The swirling movement of rainwater during the filtration process instills aeration, improving the quality of water. Rainy filters are unique. Conventional filters require frequent maintenance due to clogging of dirt and debris. This drawback is overcome by Rainy Filter's unique design that features an open-ended drain outlet, automatically flushing out dirt and debris and enabling self-cleaning.